Hello guys, good evening. I'm here again to do some few trick on my PC. I want you guys to see how you can make some few changes to your PC. First, I will want to make my icon smaller because I don't really like it like this. So how do I do that? Just right click on your desktop and then scroll down to small. You have to select view and scroll down to small. Okay, it's perfect. Now you can, it's okay. Oh, let me move this below. Okay, and I will say I don't like my text bar like this because it feels a little bold. I want to make it more smaller. So how do I do this? I right click, then click text bar settings. You can see here, scroll down and then use small text bar, turn it on to make it more tinier. And also if you want to make it disappear in desktop mode, of course that's in Windows, you know, you have to display desktop and normal Windows tablet. And if you want to make it hide automatically, you can also use these options. And also you can change your theme. Okay, here you can also change the default is white, dark. Then your default mode app should be dark if you wish. Okay, this will change your desktop background, and all the apps you are using, the views will be black. Also, if you want to change colors from black to green, any type of color you want, still the same way. So let's go. You can select color here. Okay, you see I've already changed this color, and now there is one other color for the text bar. Okay, for the ties and the title bar, sorry, let's see. Okay, the color is now on my own preference. And there is one thing I forgot. On your text bar, if you can also move your text bar to the up right corner, top, or right left. Okay, then if you want to move it to your left, alright. If you wish to move it to your right side, this is how it goes. You can select whatever you want, just make the option permanent. Guys, this is what I want to let you know. It's minor settings that you wish to set for your own desktop. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you very much for watching, and take your time.